Besides the exorbitant rise in feed prices, one other major way that can lead to high cost of production in poultry farming is the cost of medications, especially when your flock is infested by a disease, and most of these drugs are very expensive. Thus, there is a need to seek for other cheaper ways of preventing and curing these diseases, which can lead to more profits and improve overall performances. One of such ways is by using natural products and feedstuffs that are safe, healthy, and sustainable. So on today's video, I shall be sharing with you a healthy and safe feedstuff that you can use to improve egg production, increase broiler weight gain, and maximize profit in your poultry farm. The feedstuff we are talking here is no other than baking soda. Surprise? In addition, you also get to learn how to use baking soda for your chickens, its incredible benefits, inclusion rate in feed and water, age of administration, and precaution to take before use. But before then, do not forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you will never miss out on our insightful content. So let's look at some of the incredible benefits of baking soda for chickens. Baking soda is known for its alkalizing properties, which can help regulate pH levels in the digestive system of chickens. This aids in promoting overall digestive health, excretion of harmful substances, increasing broiler weight gain, and reducing the risk of common issues such as sauerkraut and diarrhea. Furthermore, baking soda has been shown to support a healthy immune system in chickens, contributing to their resilience against various infectious diseases such as Newcastle disease. It can also act as a natural buffer, neutralizing acidic conditions in the digestive tract and maintaining a balanced environment for beneficial bacteria. It also has the effect of absorbing moisture, deodorizing, and cleaning the air. Now that we have understand the advantages of this baking soda, let's discuss the proper dosage of baking soda for your chicken. It is essential to strike the right balance to ensure optimal results without causing any adverse effects. For water supplementation, a general guideline is to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda per gallon of drinking water. This can be done once or twice a week, depending on the size of your flock. When incorporating baking soda into their feed, a ratio of approximately 1 to 2% baking soda to their overall feed volume is recommended. This ensures a gradual introduction and allows the chicken to adapt to the new addition without any disruption to their digestive system. Research have also shown that adding 3 to 5% to broiler and layers feed can add weight and lay egg 10 to 15 days in advance. The rate increased by 1.5% to 2.5%. For example, to add 5% of baking soda to 1 kilogram of feed, find 5% of the feed, which is 50 grams, minus it from 1 kg of feed, then you get 950 grams. Measure out separately 50 grams of baking soda, add it to 950 grams of the feed to make up the 1 kilogram supplemented feed mixture. For water, add 1 teaspoon to 1 gallon of water. But when should you start using baking soda for chickens? Ideally, it is safe to introduce baking soda to chickens at around 2 weeks of age. As they grow, you can gradually increase the dosage to align with their development and changing dietary needs. However, always observe your chickens for any signs of discomfort or intolerance. While baking soda offers numerous benefits, it is crucial to be mindful of certain precautions. Excessive use of baking soda can lead to alkalosis, disrupting the acid-base balance in the chicken's bodies. Therefore, it is imperative to monitor their behavior, droppings, and overall health regularly. Additionally, it should be noted that baking soda is alkaline and should not be used with vitamin B1, B2, C, folic acid, antibiotics drugs, and other organic acids at the same time, so as not to destroy its effects. Baking soda can be a valuable addition to your chicken's care routine, offering a natural and cost-effective way to support their digestive health and overall well-being. By following the recommended dosage guidelines, considering the age of your chickens, and taking necessary precautions, you can ensure a happy and healthy flock. If you found this guide helpful, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more poultry care tips, and share your experiences with baking soda in the comments below. Until next time, happy farming. Sam is out. Bye.